I instruct for Center for Professional Development, helping individuals uncover their natural talents through StrengthsFinder. StrengthsFinder is an online assessment tool developed by the Gallup organization that helps people uncover what is great and amazing about them, what their unique and natural talents are, and how individuals can leverage those things in what they do every day, either in the workplace or outside the workplace. In the intro class where we work with individuals, they review their assessment results, and they are starting to uncover their own personal talents. And we start talking through what that looks like in the workplace when people with different talents are engaging with one another. In the workplace today and in most areas, we focus on weakness. We say, here's an identified weakness, and so we want you to fix that out of you to be better. Strengths completely changes the mindset on that. Rather than identifying the weaknesses and telling you to stop doing that, let's look for what's good and how do we get you doing more of that. My favorite part of the StrengthsFinders course is seeing the light bulbs go on for people. Usually when they're reading their assessments for the first time and they will see language and say, this is so weird, how can this online assessment know this about me? How can it be so specific and so targeted to who I am? And seeing the light bulb go on for people and seeing what's reflected on the page saying, this is what's awesome about you and you should leverage it. So in the workshop, we're really introducing common language. We're giving teams and employees a common language to talk about these things that make them unique and special, the things that make them different, but the real magic happens when you go back to the workplace and you start seeing these talents in action.